Top 10 Marketing Strategies for Dumplings. Number 1. Create an Instagram and Pinterest portfolio for your dumplings. Number 2. Shoot tantalizing dumpling reels and advertise them on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Number 3. Experiment with various dumplings collections and promote them via Facebook ads. Number 4. Partner with food delivery apps to provide discounts to new consumers. Number 5. Run giveaway campaigns on Instagram to maximize engagement. Number 6. Invite local food bloggers or hire them to promote your dumplings. Number 7. Donate any leftover dumplings to local orphanages and underprivileged children. Number 8. Collaborate with event management firms and party planners. Number 9. Engage with current consumers via SMS, email and WhatsApp. Number 10. Concentrate on branded packaging and wow clients with a present every time they order. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.